morning. It is another day here in Bangkok, and today Tony and I will be moving from this Airbnb to a different one, and I thought I'd just go about a day in the life living here as an early retiree couple. So let's get our day started. All right, so we are at our lobby area at the moment waiting for our Airbnb host. So the lease for the Airbnb that we were currently at has ended, and so we're going to move to a different Airbnb because we're extending our stay here in Bangkok, and also we'll be heading over to Japan for about a week. So very excited to do that. We just arrived at our new Airbnb. It feels quite spacious than the last one, don't you think, Tony?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I think the bed is smaller and then there's actually two tables, which is nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm loving this setup actually, especially the painting. It looks nice. Yeah, I'm not hating it. And I also feel like, oh, it's a bit closer to the highway, but it's okay. So the plan is we're going to be heading back to our other Airbnb and slowly moving the stuff that we don't need over to this one. Wow. What is this?
Noticed that before.
Yeah, me too. Pretty neat.
So we were on the 19th floor before, and then the gym's actually on this side.
Yeah.
So it's very annoying because you have to elevator up, switch side, and elevator up again to the gym. But now we can just walk through it and then just elevator up straight.
That's
so
perfect.
save us like maybe, I don't know, 2 minutes.
There's literally no excuse. We have officially finished packing all of our things from our current Airbnb, and we're going to be moving it over to our new one. I have to say, a lot of good memories, but it's time to move on. Finally, we're going to be heading out to our first meal of the day. It's already like 1-ish.
Enough, this is when we usually wake up like an hour ago.
Oh yeah, we actually was really productive today. We've decided to go to Food World in Fortune Town for our first meal of the day. It's kind of nostalgic because I think the first couple weeks that Tony and I were here, we constantly went over to Food World to eat, and we like the food. Its quality is good, food prices very affordable.
Portion is good too.
Yeah. As you saw, I got the fried chicken with chicken rice, and it comes with this like sweet sauce right here, and also soup. Tony's over at another stall getting his meal, and I believe he's getting pat pao.
I didn't realize you also get a free soup too.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Did you always get free soup?
Yeah, it's a self-service.
Oh.
You have to grab it yourself.
Nice.
Oh.
So, Tony, what is this that you have here?
This is a wonderful pat pao that I have, special with 2 eggs.
Oh,
The
God.
portions is, as you can see, ridiculous.
It's huge.
So good.
Yeah. Another reason that I really enjoy eating here at Food World is that this building is mostly for office workers. There's not a lot of people around when we come, and I just like that it's not crowded. So now we're gonna head over to have some Cafe Amazon, have our first coffee of the day. First sip is always the best. Leaving Cafe Amazon, we're heading over to Lotus. It's another grocery store, and we got a few items that we need to stock up at our new place.
I think the idea is that when we come, because we're going to Japan tomorrow, and we'll be arrived back to Bangkok pretty late, and we just want to make sure that when we come back, everything's like ready.
Yes.
Don't have to worry about water. Don't have to worry about
This item is this loofah. Grab that. Nice. Okay, we're gonna grab this dish soap. Gonna grab this. Gosh, there's barely any room. They don't have the yuzu flavored one, just the lemon, so we're gonna grab 2 of these.
Adulting.
Yeah. Oh, I feel so adult just buying all these groceries. Okay, we got all of the things that we needed and we're heading back home. So meet you guys there.
But you want another coffee?
Oh.
เอสเปรสโซ่เย็นหวาน50ครับ
ชานมเย็นหวาน50เอสเปรสโซ่เย็นหวาน50นะคะ
ครับ I never noticed that building before. Looks like a very, I don't know, Renaissance-ish.
It really does.
Surrounded by like a
Modern
building and just this
condos.
one.
Yeah. I love this about Bangkok. It's like they combine the old with the new. Yeah. We're heading back home and getting settled, so we'll see you guys there. All right, we are back at our Airbnb and I just wanted to do a little haul for you guys because I feel like this is the most stuff that we've bought in one trip. So we went to 7-Eleven and bought 2 of these, 6-pack of water because Tony and I are planning on going to Japan for a week and we just want to stock up on water and make sure that we don't have to worry about that when we come back because I think we're coming back in like the evening. And now for our tops haul, got these 8 pieces of toilet paper. Yes, much needed. And we got some soap. I believe this is 4 bars. 4 bars of soap. Oh, I forgot. We bought 2 of these bars of soap. So each of them has 4 bars. So a total of 8 pieces. Next, I got this loofah. It's so tiny and it was like, I think it was 10 baht. Next, we got some sponge to wash our dishes. Next, got some body lotion. This is interesting. It has SPF of 30, so pretty good. And there's 2 of them. Next, we got soap for the dishes. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to find the yuzu singa, so we opted for this lemon singa, which is just as good. Although I do prefer the yuzu a bit better. And we got another one. Yes. And this will be my dinner for tonight. This cream carbonara instant noodle. I love this. It's so good. I got 2, but I'm just gonna eat 1. And I think that's it. I believe in total it was like 834 baht, which is like about 35 Canadian. Very nice, very nice. For all of this, that is insane. Okay, so we're just gonna settle down, put all groceries away, and relax. It's just been a really busy day for both of us. And props to Tony for carrying all the heavy stuff because, like, I wouldn't have been able to. Settled in now and I just can't help but love this new setup. So nice because I have all this leg room and an actual table to put my laptop in. Plus I can see Tony on the very end right there in my peripheral. Very nice. And if you lean over here, there's the television. So far it is very nice. I really enjoy this layout and looking forward to staying here for the next couple months. Tony and I are also in the process of packing for Japan, which is super exciting. the end of the day, Tony and I are just going to relax, probably do some editing and any last minute packing, and we'll see you tomorrow. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!